Have you ever wondered what Pluto really looks like? For decades, Pluto was nothing more than a blurry dot in our telescopes, an icy mystery at the edge of our solar system. But that changed on July 14, 2015, when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made history by giving humanity its first ever close-up look at Pluto. New Horizons was launched with one goal: fly by Pluto and send back the first high-resolution images ever taken. After traveling 4.8 billion kilometers for nearly a decade, it finally zoomed past Pluto at a speed of 14 kilometers per second. The first image to go viral? A massive heart-shaped region on Pluto's surface, officially named Tombaugh Regio, after Pluto's discoverer, Clyde Tombaugh. It instantly humanized the icy dwarf planet. It looked peaceful, even lovable. But the beauty was just the beginning. New Horizons revealed mountains made of water ice, towering as high as the Rocky Mountains, yet no craters nearby. This meant Pluto's surface was geologically young, suggesting it was still active. Even more shocking, Pluto has glaciers made of frozen nitrogen that slowly creep across the surface. And Pluto has an atmosphere, yes, a thin one, but a real one. New Horizons captured a blue glow around Pluto, revealing hazy atmospheric layers made of hydrocarbons. It even snows nitrogen particles which settle on its surface. Imagine that, a frozen world with a thin blue atmosphere and snow. Oh, and Pluto isn't alone. Its moon Charon stunned scientists too. We discovered massive canyons, a possible ancient ocean, and even cryovolcanoes. Pluto and Charon don't just orbit together. They're tidally locked, facing each other forever in a cosmic dance. From a blurry speck to a richly detailed alien world, the New Horizons mission transformed Pluto from an astronomy textbook afterthought into one of the most complex and fascinating bodies in the solar system. This tiny world showed us that even the farthest corners of our solar system are full of surprises. If Pluto, the little dwarf planet at the edge of the sun's reach, holds so many secrets, imagine what else is out there. Subscribe and join us as we continue exploring the universe, one world at a time.